What do you feel?
I'm feeling like asymmetry, and your left side feels wonky, like right in here.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't feel very good.
No.
You can feel that? That's so crazy.
Right there.
Yeah.
You feel that right there?
Oh, yeah.
That spot right there.
Yep.
Let's just take care of that real quick. Wow. Yep. That
Oh my God.
that was just a little bit there.
That was crazy. Oh my God. Did you hear that?
Just a little bit.
Oh my gosh. I never know if it's as crazy outside as it is in my head.
No, that one was pretty crazy. I have to say. Let's get lower on the right here. Whoa. Okay.
Oh my God. Sorry, Lord.
I,
Oh,
sorry.
that was crazy.
I think you're actually talking to God, so it's.
I
legit.
think I am.
Yeah, you're.
I see the light. Oh, I'm gonna sleep like a baby, dude.